Hello friends, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how you can make an excellent probiotic rich soda drink from purple sweet potato. You can call it Purple Potato Kvass or Purple Potato Fly. To make this drink, all we need is the purple potato, sugar, you can use sweet potato also, and your preferred spices. I have taken organic purple potato and that's why I am not removing the skin, and now I am grating them coarsely. This is the texture I like. You can cut into small pieces, but if you grate, you will get more flavor. Take a sterilized jar and then add all the grated purple potato. I'm going to add some lemon juice, but before that I'm going to add some lemon zest. It will add nice lemony flavor. We'll squeeze around 20 ml lemon juice. I'm going to use 900 ml water and 4% sugar will be sufficient because the sweet potato is also have some sweetness and lots of starch inside. Adding half spoon Himalayan salt with lemon juice, this salt will make the taste very nice. Before adding the sugar, dissolve the sugar in water nicely. I am also adding some cinnamon sticks for nice flavor and aroma, and some ginger slices. Ginger slices will add more yeast to the sweet potato and also some flavor. This lemon slice is perfectly matching with the mouth of the jar, so I am going to use it like a fermentation weight. Since we are not going to keep it for a long time, so this is not necessary, but if you have a lemon slice which is perfectly matching with the mouth, you can use it. It will add more lemony flavor and also will keep everything submerged. Close the lid tightly and then leave it in room temperature for 2 days. Today is the third day and I am going to strain. The average temperature in Singapore is around 28 to 30 degrees, which is quite hot, and that's why I can't keep for longer because fermentation is always very active. But if your area the temperature is not so hot, you can keep for a few days, at least more than 2 days. The whole process is very similar to Beet Kvass, but in Beet Kvass we do it lacto fermentation. So basically we use the salt, not sugar. And generally we don't go for second fermentation in Beet Kvass, but here I am going for second fermentation so that we get a nice soda and naturally carbonated drink. I have added 1.5 spoons sugar so that yeast will have some food to do fermentation and we will get more carbonation and natural fizz. But this drink is already quite sweet, so I am not going to add more sugar. Look at the color and you will know why I choose the purple sweet potato and not the normal sweet potato. Don't throw these sweet potatoes, they are excellent in taste. Little sour, little sweet with cinnamon flavor. You can eat as it is or you can mix with salads. I'm going to show you what I do with these potatoes later. Adding little lemongrass, which is my favorite, for extra flavor. You can use flip top bottle, but I am using normal bottle to show you. If you don't have flip top bottle, it's okay to use normal bottle, just put the cap very tight. If using normal flip top bottle, you must burp frequently, otherwise the bottle can explode. But with this bottle, if I don't burp every day, it's still okay. I mean, I can keep 2 days without burping with this bottle. When fermentation occurs, we get some residue at the bottom of the jar. Those are the dead skin of yeast and bacteria, so I just want to wash it off. So here is the fermented purple potato, which you can eat as it is. Days over after straining, I kept the bottle in room temperature for 2 days and then I put it in the refrigerator. Look at this, beautifully carbonated, isn't it? You can see so much bubbles, so much froth on top, and this happened because we have managed to trap the carbon dioxide inside the bottle, and that's why you always need a narrow mouth bottle. You can't do it on wide mouth jar, you will not get the natural fizz and the carbonation. No commercial drink can beat this color, the flavor, the aroma and the health benefits. Naturally carbonated with lots of good bacteria. Look at the fizz and the carbonation. Amazing, isn't it? Add 1 slice of lemon and serve chilled. So our purple potato fly or kvass or purple potato beer or purple potato soda is ready. Now I'm going to show you what I do with these fermented purple potatoes. Take equal amount of spicy sauerkraut or Indian kimchi. You can check out the recipe in the description. And then add the fermented sweet potatoes with it. Add some fermented hot mango sauce and some lacto-fermented mustard sauce and mix it well. And here is your healthy sauerkraut salad ready. That's all for today. If you have liked this video, comment below, give me a thumbs up, press the subscribe button, and I will see you again with lots of fermented food and drinks recipes. Stay happy and healthy.